Make money online with AI. Welcome to Finance Director, where we investigate cutting-edge internet revenue streams. We'll explore the interesting realm of artificial intelligence, AI, and how it may be a potent tool for earning revenue in today's episode. AI has completely changed several businesses, and it has enormous potential for generating online income. Join us as we explore the prospects and tactics for profiting from AI. Trading and investing using AI is one of the most exciting methods to generate money online. AI systems can now evaluate enormous volumes of financial data and generate very accurate forecasts about market patterns and stock movements because of advancements in machine learning and data analytics. Trading platforms and tools driven by artificial intelligence, AI, are made to help both seasoned traders and individual investors make wise judgments and maximize their earnings. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to find patterns and produce trade signals by analyzing real-time market data, news, and sentiment from social media. Individuals can now use advanced analysis tools that were previously only accessible to big investors when integrating AI into their trading strategy. AI algorithms can continuously scan a variety of markets and assets, find trading opportunities, and automatically place trades based on established criteria. The capacity of AI-powered trading to eliminate human emotions from the decision-making process is one of its main advantages. Fear and greed are two emotions that can frequently impair judgment and result in poor trading judgments. On the other hand, AI algorithms follow predetermined rules and logic, allowing them to make defensible conclusions based on information and market indications. People can select from a range of platforms and tools that cater to various degrees of competence and investment money to get started with AI-powered trading. One can simply select their preferences on some platforms, completely automated trading systems, and the AI algorithm will take care of the rest. Other platforms offer recommendations and insights powered by AI to assist traders in making their own selections. It's crucial to remember that despite the potential for great effectiveness, AI-powered trading is not a surefire way to get rich quick. It's important to approach it with a thorough grasp of the market dynamics and the limitations of AI algorithms, because there are dangers involved, just like with any type of trading or investment. When choosing an AI-powered trading platform or tool, it is imperative to carry out a careful study and due diligence, just like with any investment strategy. Looking for platforms with a solid user community, transparent performance indicators, and a track record of success. Reading reviews and consulting with seasoned traders can both yield insightful information. Risk management is a key component of AI-powered trading. Although AI algorithms are capable of analyzing market data and producing trading signals, they are not impervious to market volatility or unforeseen circumstances. To reduce potential losses, it's crucial to establish sound risk management procedures, such as specifying stop-loss thresholds and diversifying your investment portfolio. It's also important to keep in mind that AI algorithms are not perfect and occasionally run into problems during times of extreme market conditions or unanticipated happenings. To guarantee the AI system performs at its best and is flexible enough to adjust to shifting market circumstances, regular monitoring and tuning are required. AI-powered trading might be a useful educational tool for people who are new to trading or investing. People can learn more about market patterns and improve their grasp on trading methods by looking at how AI systems make decisions and studying the results. Additionally, it's critical to remember that AI-powered trading is but one tool in the larger set of financial resources. Individuals can make better educated and well-rounded financial decisions by combining AI-driven insights with fundamental analysis and a long-term investment strategy. Using AI in the gig and freelancing economies is another way to use the technology to earn money online. Freelancers' ability to find employment, manage projects, and provide their services has been completely transformed by AI, creating new opportunities and expediting the entire process. There are now systems and markets powered by AI that help freelancers find clients and operate more effectively in the gig economy. Based on their talents, expertise, and preferences, these platforms use AI algorithms to pair freelancers with relevant tasks. The capacity of AI-enabled freelancing platforms to streamline the job search process is one of their main benefits. These platforms assess job descriptions, freelancer profiles, and project requirements using natural language processing and machine learning, ensuring better matching and saving freelancers important time and effort. AI algorithms can also help freelancers more appropriately price their services. By analyzing market trends, competitor rates, and project complexity, AI tools can provide freelancers with data-driven insights to determine competitive pricing strategies that maximize their earning potential. As the gig economy expands and AI technology develops, freelancers have a previously unheard-of potential to earn money online by fusing their subject matter expertise with AI capabilities. Freelancers can improve their productivity, raise their earning potential, and succeed in the fast-changing world of freelancing by embracing AI-powered platforms, products, and services. Another fascinating approach to earn money online is by developing and marketing AI-powered goods and services. As AI technology develops, business people and developers can take use of its potential to create cutting-edge solutions that address a variety of market needs. The creation of chatbots and virtual assistants is one area where AI has made tremendous progress. These conversational AI agents can automate client interactions, offer tailored recommendations, and help with everything from sales inquiries to customer care. Entrepreneurs can cater to organizations trying to improve their customer experience and productivity by developing and marketing AI-powered chatbot solutions. The creation of recommendation systems presents another chance. AI algorithms can assess user information and preferences to provide individualized product, service, or content suggestions. Entrepreneurs can collaborate with e-commerce platforms, streaming services, or content providers to improve the user experience and boost revenue through higher engagement and conversion rates by developing AI-powered recommendation engines. AI technology is also applicable in the medical field. AI-powered diagnostic systems can examine medical records and photos to help identify and diagnose diseases. AI-driven healthcare solutions can be created and marketed by business owners, giving doctors and other healthcare professionals cutting-edge instruments for precise diagnosis and treatment suggestions. Additionally, cybersecurity can benefit from the use of AI technologies. AI algorithms can monitor network activity, analyze potential risks, and spot anomalies. For enterprises and organizations to improve their digital security and safeguard critical data, entrepreneurs can create AI-powered cybersecurity solutions and sell them to them. Finally, the success of products and services driven by AI depends greatly on marketing and promotion. Entrepreneurs must successfully convey the value proposition of their AI products, emphasizing the advantages and benefits they provide clients. Reaching their target audience and generating interest in their AI solutions may be accomplished by business owners by utilizing digital marketing techniques, content development, and social media platforms. AI technology has also created a name for itself in the fields of content creation and monetization, offering novel ways for people to generate money online. The production of written content is one area where artificial intelligence has had a significant impact. Writing tools with AI capabilities may gather information, analyze data, and produce blog entries, articles, and social media content. These tools can help content producers write more quickly, more efficiently, and produce high-quality content in large quantities. AI algorithms that examine popular subjects, search patterns, and user preferences can help with content ideation. Creators can get suggestions and recommendations for interesting themes by using AI-powered content-generating tools, which will help them draw in more users and increase traffic to their platforms. AI technology can also be applied to search engine optimization of content. Keyword analysis, website performance analysis, and recommendation generation are all capabilities of AI-powered SEO solutions. Creators may boost their online visibility and draw organic traffic by optimizing their work for SEO, which may result in better profit potential. Programmatic advertising is another technique to monetize content using AI. Utilizing user behavior, hobbies, and demographic data, AI-powered advertising platforms may offer customized adverts that are more likely to be liked by the audience. Creators of content can monetize their work through ad placements and revenue sharing by working with advertising networks or by utilizing AI-driven ad platforms. Additionally, content producers might investigate the usage of analytics tools driven by AI to learn more about audience behavior, content effectiveness, and engagement metrics. To maximize their potential for online monetization, producers can improve their content strategies, identify popular content formats, and make data-driven decisions. For content producers to successfully commercialize their work, developing a strong online presence and interacting with their audience is essential. Social media engagement, commenting on posts, and community building can assist creators in gaining a devoted fan base, sponsors, and working relationships. As we've seen, AI offers fantastic prospects for earning money online. The potential is enormous, whether through AI-powered trading and investing, utilizing AI in the gig economy, developing AI-powered goods and services, or utilizing AI in content production and marketing. But it's crucial to approach AI with a blend of technical expertise, originality, and a familiarity with the relevant field. The secret to success in this field is constant learning, keeping up with AI developments, and adapting to new technologies. Therefore, if you're interested in using AI to earn money online, consider the various options we've covered today. Identify your specialty, and use the technology to launch creative and successful online businesses. We appreciate your participation as Finance Director. Don't forget to hit the notification button, like and subscribe to receive updates on our newest episodes. Keep inspired, keep on task, and may your internet endeavors bring you the monetary success you so well deserve. Until next time.